Hello, ninth, 10th, and 11th graders. It is the month of March, it's spring, and here is the PLP work for the month. So this month we will be working on the transferable skill of innovative thinking. And if you open up this problem-solving activity, you will read through what innovative thinking is, and then down here in the grade band choice menu, ninth graders, you'll be working on fixing what's broke challenge. And in this activity, you get to identify a problem at Mount Abe or in your personal life, and you can develop a way to solve that problem. You can do that as small groups within your advisory. If there's something at Mount Abe that you'd like to change, this is a great opportunity to come up with a solution. And please send your solutions to either Ms. Warden or Ms. Tebow so that they can see your fantastic work and try to help you solve that problem. If you're a 10th grader, you are going to learn how to make QR codes, and there's a fun activity there to solve a problem. And then if you're an 11th grader, you're going to do another round of fixing what's broke challenge. So once you have finished doing that activity, then you're going to go ahead and open up this innovative thinking evidence sheet. And you will, as best you can, document your work here to show that you have thought innovatively and you have solved a problem, or at least made a plan to solve a problem. And then you can take this activity and copy the link, and then you can paste that into your PLP in the transferable skill portfolio under innovative thinking to show evidence of that transferable skill. So that is the PLP work for the month of March, and have fun.